Well, friends, so in the previous tutorial we have learned how to customize dodge and evade movements in our fighting game. Today we are going to learn how to customize projectiles. And as the next video I want to update my tutorial on how to use metahuman characters in our fighting game, as there were some changes within the implementation of the metahumans in Unreal Engine. Let me remind, the True Fighting Game Engine is my project for Unreal Engine that allows you create your own AAA class fighting games. You can easily add attacks, combos, and hit animations, import characters based on any skeletons, and create either single-player or multiplayer fighting games. You can check out my other tutorials in this playlist to learn how to do all of this. And with the True Fighting Game Engine, you can create either Mortal Kombat style or Tekken style games depending on your needs. You can find the link to that project in the description below this video. So let's start with the tutorial. Well, working with projectiles is actually really simple in the True Fighting Game Engine, as everything has been already set up out of the box. So let's now see how can we customize projectile effects. Let's open up our content drawer and navigate to All, True FG, Blueprints, and open up our BP True FG base character. And here at the left, let's search for the variable named projectile settings. And as you can see, if we open up the default value for this variable in the details tab, you can see there the projectile class. It is a BP projectile base. Starting bone FX, it is the effect that is being attached to the fighter's bone that is linked to the projectile effect. By default it is the left hand of our fighter. And there is a variable named ending hit FX. That's when our projectile hits the enemy. Now let's go and see how is the projectile class implemented. Let's hit this magnifying glass icon and open the BP projectile base blueprint. And here we see the projectile logic, but what we want to do, we select the particle system in our components tab. And at the right, in the details tab, we can easily change the projectile itself. By default, it is the fireball, but just for this example, let's change it to fire. And let's compile and save the BP projectile base. Now let's go back to the BP through FG base character, and as the starting bone FX, let's select something other. For example, this lighting particle system. And let's compile and let's save. And let's look now what will happen when we throw the projectile. And you see we have this lightning as the start bone FX. We have this fire as the projectile, and we could also want to change the projectile hit FX. Well, I actually don't have that many of particle system effects, but you can use any package or any of your own effects in your case. But for now, let's set this lightning effect as well for the ending heat effect. And let's try it out now. And you see, we have the starting bone effect, it is lightning. We have the projectile itself, this fire. And at the final stage, we have this smoke and this lightning. And yes, that was that easy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you next time.